You got a rope for him? The rope to you, look, it's completely loose. It's fucking rope all the way down.